Imagine a massive metropolis built entirely to process raw data. Here, the machinery runs on musical notes and pitches, but notes on their own are just raw material. They require a dedicated workforce to determine exactly how and when that data should be executed. This is where we find the city's first sector, the timekeepers. In this three-tier hierarchy, tempo is the foundation. It sets the baseline speed and pulse for every other operation. In a city's ecosystem, the Allegro instruction acts as a high-speed courier, keeping data moving through the grid with energy and pace. By contrast, an entry for lento tells the operators to deploy slow, heavy, and more deliberate machinery. These rules aren't always rigid, though. This entry for rubato allows the controllers to bend time, stretching and compressing the pulse for a more expressive flow. But the system is about to be tested. A new master blueprint has been uploaded to the central terminal, and it demands far more than just a steady speed. Speed alone produces a flat mechanical output. To process the deeper layers of this blueprint, the city must integrate sectors that handle volume and texture. That brings us to Sector 2, the power grid. These operators control dynamics, providing the specific volume and energy the master blueprint requires. This is Forte. It deploys heavy-duty power, radiating loud, bright energy across the entire system. Its counterpart is Pianissimo, a command for the grid to handle the extremely quiet, delicate circuits of the score. To move between these levels, the grid uses Crescendo, which tells the city's turbines to gradually ramp up their output. Finally, we reach Sector 3, the artisans. Their job is articulation, dictating the physical style and texture of how that energy is actually delivered. The glossary defines legato as playing smoothly. This requires the artisans to create unbroken connections, the opposite of detached style used for high-speed work. Then there is forzando. This acts as a sudden impact, forcing a sharp, accented burst of energy into the line. While each sector is performing its specific task, they are currently operating in silos. Without coordination, these powerful instructions are beginning to conflict. The sectors start to clash. Forte's high volume overwhelms Pianissimo's delicate circuitry, while Allegro moves too fast for legato to maintain its smooth connections. This glossary term identifies the core problem, troppo, or too much. Elements are operating at a capacity that the surrounding system can't support. As these commands fight for control, the city's power grid begins to stall. Conflicting instructions are causing the machine to seize up. The result is smorzando. The city's light, tone, and speed all begin to die away simultaneously as the logic fails. When instructions overlap without coordination, the performance loses its shape. Without a unified relationship between speed and volume, these individual commands cancel each other out, leaving the city silent. To fix this, a reset command is issued. Del Segno forces the city to reboot and repeat the sequence from a specific sign in the master blueprint. The city then uses a tempo to stabilize the sectors, restoring the original speed and bringing everyone back into alignment. This time, the operators use modifiers like poco a poco. This ensures that transitions, like a crescendo, happen little by little so the rest of the city can adapt. With these modifiers in place, the machine spins back up. Tempo, dynamics, and articulation are working in tandem, following a single coordinated set of rules. This vocabulary isn't just a list of isolated definitions. It's a system of modifiers that ensures every sector of the city, from tempo to dynamics, is working toward the same objective. To see how these terms fit together in your own scores, continue your theory journey at SuperClef.com.